Experiencing data connectivity problems on your Boost mobile device? The most common culprit is an incorrect APN configuration. APN, or Access Point Name, is the gateway between your device and Boost Mobile's network. On Android, navigate to Settings, then Network and Internet, Mobile Network, and Access Point Names to check your APN settings. For iPhones, go to Settings, Cellular Data Options, and Cellular Network to access APN settings. APN settings ensure secure data transmission through Boost's network, connecting your device to the internet and services. Always double-check your settings against Boost Mobile's official APN configuration. A simple misconfiguration is often the root cause of data issues. If APN settings are correct, but data still fails, follow these troubleshooting steps. First, restart your device completely. Then toggle airplane mode on for 10 seconds, then off to refresh the connection. Next, reset network settings. On iPhone, go to Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone, Reset, then Reset Network Settings. On Android, navigate to Settings, System, Reset Options, then Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile, and Bluetooth. If those steps fail, manually update APN settings using Boost Mobile's official guide available on their website. As of late 2025, Boost Mobile's app includes an AI-powered tool that automatically detects and fixes common APN issues, reducing manual fixes by 30%. If issues continue, contact Boost support directly for assistance. Looking ahead, eSIM adoption is rising, with digital SIMs that auto-configure APNs for seamless data activation, reducing errors by 40%. AI-driven diagnostics use machine learning to predict and fix connectivity problems before they escalate. However, 5G spectrum congestion may cause new challenges like data throttling during peak hours, so staying updated with best practices is essential.